Hi, welcome to our Pharma Topics channel, which aims at simplifying the pharmacy subjects and allied health sciences subjects. Today, we are going to see the calculation of pharmacokinetic parameters from a given data. Basically, pharmacokinetics involves absorption, distribution, metabolism, and elimination. The kinetic calculations are very important in deciding the dose based on the patient profile. It is very critical in case of therapeutic drug monitoring also. You may plot a dose versus concentration curve or a semi-log plot of log concentration versus the time in hours. The pharmacokinetic parameters include half-life, volume of distribution, clearance, and area under the curve by trapezoidal rule. So we are going to have a classical example and we are going to calculate these parameters. So let us take the case. A paracetamol poisoning case was administered 1 gram of N-acetylcysteine. Assume it follows one compartment model and zero order kinetics. The blood samples were collected at various time intervals and the plasma concentration was given in the table. So we are going to prepare a semi-log plot versus time and going to calculate initial concentration T half, volume of distribution, elimination constant, AUC, and total body clearance. So you have given with the concentration in micrograms at different hours. So first step is calculate the log concentration equal to log this comma 10. So similarly, you apply the log concentration for all the parts. You leave the initial one. So you have I have given a log plot versus hours. It has a intercept, a slope, and a intercept value. But we can calculate the slope and the intercept value. Let us calculate the intercept. Give intercept. Give the y known y's. Y is the log concentration, comma, and x is the hours. So this is the slope. You can check even in the slope plotted by Excel graph also shows the same value. So the next is slope. Similarly, you type slope. So known y's, comma, and known x. So it has come to minus 0.3011. The initial concentration equal to 10. You put shift 6 and the intercept. So that gives the initial concentration. You can check the initial concentration in the table also, it is 100. Then the elimination constant equal to slope into minus 2.303. So that gives the elimination constant. See, the dose is you see from the data, it is 1 gram, it is 1000 mg. But for pharmacokinetic calculation, you convert that to micrograms. So 1000 into 1000, it is 10 lakh micrograms. The volume of distribution equal to dose in micrograms divided by initial concentration. So it is around 10,000 liters. But usually volume of distribution is expressed in liters. Previous calculation shows it is in ml. So you convert that to liters. So that becomes around 10 liters. Then you calculate the T half. T half equal to 0.693 divided by elimination constant. So this is the T half. So it is around roughly 1 hour. You can check 100 becomes 50 in 1 hour, 50 becomes 25 in 1 hour. So it is T half is 1 hour. The clearance equal to elimination into volume of distribution in liters. So this is 6.9 liters per hour is the clearance. So then you calculate the AUC. AUC equal to half. That means you put 0.5 into, you add the 2 doses into, time should be a minus. Correct. So it is 75. You drag all these things. So this is the area of the curve. This is the area under the curve for the total curve. The total AUC can also be calculated. Give auto sum. So we have calculated the intercept, slope, initial concentration, elimination constant, dose, volume of distribution in liters, T half, clearance, and the AUC. So this is a nutshell information of how to calculate the pharmacokinetic parameters from a given data. I hope it will be useful for the pharmacy students. Thank you for listening. Happy learning. Kindly share this to your friends. Kindly encourage us by subscribing to our channel, Pharma Topics channel. Thank you.